Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rajati from We All Learn Today.
In this video, I'm going to explain some tips and tricks in Google Classroom. So these are the classes I have. So I take this class. So this is the default BSc and here you can give anything else. So this is the class code. So we can change this by here. Click settings. So here you can change the text. And you can change the descriptions also. So this is the invite link. You can just click by copy the link and or else you can pass the class code. Then if you want to change anything means you can change here. So after done this, just click save. The changes will be updated here. So the other one is we can change the theme also. Just click select theme. So by default it has plenty of themes, so we can select anything else. So this is some theme under the general and this is for English and history. So you can select any theme. Sports and others. So these are the some predefined themes, so we can use anything. So I just select this one and press select class theme, so it will be changed. Yeah, so you can upload the themes which is already predefined themes. So or else you can upload the photo from your PC. If you want to your own, if you have a own themes, you can directly select this from your local disk. So and then and the next one is pupil. Here we can individually select a student to pass the information to the mail, or else we can select all the students and the action and directly click the mail. So this is help to pass the information to all the students. So all the students is by default they are connecting to the Google Classroom by their own mail ID. So it will take some more times. So it collect all the students mail ID together. Yeah. So now we can just pass the information here. With this one click we can pass the information to all the students. And another one trick is we can reuse the post. We already seen the assignment, this assignment, questions, material, all those things we already seen in the previous video. So this option is reuse post. So just click this one. Just shown. So this is I already assigned to the students. I can reuse this post again. So just click this one and press reuse. So I can reuse this for the same clause or else different clause. So we can assign it directly or else save the draft or we can delete it. So this is the use of the reuse post. And another thing is we can move the tag, we can move the topics also. So attendance is crucial things. So I'm going to set this as top. So we can move the topics here. So I want to move this to down means I can just press and hold it and we can drag it and we can place where we want. So this is the way to move the topics. And so another one is, so we can create the quiz assignment. So we can change the form as we want. So this is the blank quiz. So this is the way we have to create the quiz. So we have to create the topics and questions. I already posted a video how to create quiz assignment in previous video. So just refer it. So I'm just take. So just take this form for the example. This is already created one. So just press edit. So you can see the questions and also you can see the responses. So I totally got 23 responses. Just click this one. So I can get summary. So these are the students. So this is the total mail ID to the students and register number and name. So this is what we get. So for these questions, many of them ask a first option. So likewise, it automatically give the short descriptions and question wise we can see. So or else we can see the individual results also. So 23 students totally. So we can you can deselect it and then you can download the responses also. So just click. So this is the Excel sheet we got. Loading. Yeah, this is the overall sheet we can see. So list of the students and their register number and student name with this their answers also. So we can directly download it or else we can print the particular sheet also. So the other thing is we can customize the theme. So here I can upload the header. If you want upload means you can upload or else you can delete it. And I can change the theme color also. And background also. Give dark color. So we can give the font style also. See, we can change the style also, formal, playful. So we can change the font style and we can choose the image as header. So by default it has some predefined headers, so we can pick them. So according to the header, the theme color automatically changed. So we can see the preview. This is the header file. And you can send this to mail or else you can use the link. So you can use this link or we can get short link by clicking this one. So just copy and you can paste this to others. So that's it. So you can in the settings you can change the theme and upload the themes. So see, so you can change the theme. You can upload the photos and you can edit this text by settings, and you you can mail to the individual students or else you can pass the information to all the students by clicking actions. First select all the students and click actions and select email. And the another thing is you can reuse the post by clicking reuse post option from the create. So just click this reuse material. It will show all materials which is already posted. So you can use this material also. So and then grade. So here you can see overall grades by the individual students, whether they missed the whether they missed the post or she can attend or not. So we can overall grade we can see. So that's it.